Teacher, atikon kay si Jaysek ang reaction. I said to Jaysek na after we're done with the booklet, we will going to read. Sabi niya, yay! But then, Aya told me just earlier na Jaysek complains daw there at home kasi teacher daw keep on telling him to read and read and read all the time.
Teacher, this is bastos.
Ano bastos? Gibulgar ka na ni Aya. It was Aya told me.
Ang hadlok ko ng angry sa tikim.
Ha?
Ang hadlok ko ng angry sa tikim.
Your hadlock when you are angry to Ate Kim?
Yeah.
When you are angry or when Ate Kim is angry at you? Ikaw pa jud ang mahadlok when you are angry at Ate Kim. Ikaw pa maangry ka Ate Kim. Na ikaw ba ang not listening all the time?
Look off.
Ay, nag-change topic dahil siya teacher, oh. Marunong sa kayo siya ba? Madalag ko an.
God, yeah. Look at him. He's so big.